So, did you see at times, we think we can know the facts. We cannot know the facts. No? And sometimes, we consider as fact something that is not really exact. No? Because, bottom line of everything, why we study the Bible, why we worship God, why we serve in His name, is to see to it that our humanity will be the same kind of humanity as that of Jesus. That is the concrete salvation that is coming upon us. Our true dignity, our true humanity has been restored when Jesus died on the cross. St. Paul understood that. But many Christians don't understand. Diba? Bakit? Madami ding Kristiyanong diktator, di ba? O, don't think of political leaders, di ba? Madaming Kristiyanong magulang ng mga diktador at terorista sa bahay. Non-negotiable pa ang madaming bagay. Amen. Basta gusto ko mag-doktor ka. Maski takot sa dugo yung anak, magdudoktorin. Kasi gusto niya maging doktor, hindi natuloy. So yung pangarap niya, yun sa anak. Ikuklon pa yung anak doon sa kanyang pangarap. Meaning to say, when we really believe in God, when we accept Jesus as the Christ, it is a different use of power and authority. When Jesus was teaching His disciples, He told them that people in authority in this world make their authority felt. Di ba minsan may ibang parish priest, ano sinasabi sa parishioners? Na sila ang boss dun sa parokya. Ako ang masusunod dito. Ako ang parish priest. Eh, yung mga parishioners sa Pilipino, ang mabait, no? Okay, yes, Father. Pag-alis ni Father, sure. Hanggang chismis na lang binabanatan si Father. Yung ano, tapos pag just, ay, good morning. Talagang nasa plastic age tayo. Sabi, di ba, Quezon City, bawal ang plastic, no? Plastic na bag, pero plastic na tao, hindi. There you see, to be human in the true sense of the word. But I did not yet know the outcome of the, well, let's say, one-on-one conversation between the parish priest in one of the parish in Makati and the head of the ministers of Holy Communion. Because, Father, I'm going to talk to our parish priest. And I will tell him that he was wrong on this instance, etc. Father, do you approve? You do.